Assalamualaikum students, this is इफ्तिखार अहमद, your computer teacher, grade 7। और जो आज हमारा टॉपिक है वो है ergonomics। According to your scheme, we would talk regarding this topic which is ergonomics. So I know you might be thinking what is ergonomics. So in question 1, the question it says, what do you know about ergonomics? The answer is ergonomics is the study of a physical relationship between human and tools. I can guess you might have not yet understood. The thing is ergonomic that means the physical relationship between a human and the tools, means whatever things we are using in our life we need to use them properly. So here is a topic, the computer. According to computer, what is ergonomics, we will talk after the question number 1. So that here the word tools which is written, what is a tools? What are tools? Tools means which we are using for that work which we are continuously doing. So here the question 2, describe the importance of a ergonomic computer furniture. The answer is chairs should be adjustable in height, lower back support and arm rest. So what does that mean? That mean when you are using your computer, your chairs should be adjustable in height. There are a lot of the chairs available on the internet, or you can just buy for your computer while you're using. Those chairs provide the height adjustment, the rotation adjustment, lower back support where the spring is available, your arm reset, your arms would be properly put on the table of the computer. Question number 3, how to prevent carpal tunnel syndrome? The answer is disc that allows paper keyboard have been developed to prevent carpal syndrome. That means if you are not using properly the tools for your computer, your body might have pain in your back, your arms, your legs, your foot, etc. Question number 4, what is repetitive stress injury? Question number 4, what is repetitive stress injury? It is an injury or disorder of muscles, nerve and joints like carpal tunnel syndrome. Injury, that means a person who is using computer might feel pain in his body, or disorder of muscles. When we are using our computer, if the arms are not put properly on the keyboard, you may have failed muscles injury or disorder. The nerve and the joints, nerve that means the veins, joints that means the arm, the elbow joints, the leg joints from thigh to leg. So here the other points that you need to keep in your mind are, when you are using the computer, your eyes distance from the LCD or the monitor must be at least 2.5 meter or 3 meter. If you are looking closely to the monitor, it can cause disorder of your eyes. Here the word 90 angle I have written, that means when you are using the chair which is ergonomically made for the computer, the work of that chair, your arms to hand or leg to feet must be in a 90 angle like this curve. This will not make problem for your body. Thank you beta, this is Iftikhar Ahmed, your computer teacher. Allah Hafiz.